Good evening.
Good evening, guys. I'm Rue.
And I'm Jude.
And together we're London Munch. This is our second time tackling Jemaa el-Fna, and this time we're gonna try snails. So be there for that. Seafood, but we're gonna start off with some orange juice, I think.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. To begin with, to lure us in, the stand offers us a taster of one of the juices they recommend.
Okay, I taste pineapple, orange, pear.
That's nice though.
What are you saying?
I like it, but I'm gonna get some orange juice.
Yeah.
Boss, can I get the orange for dinner, please? Shukran. Go on. How is it?
Nothing beats a freshly squeezed orange juice.
Yeah.
So how is it?
That's so good. And for 4 dirham now. Moroccan dirhams. What's the currency? I can't even say that. For 4 Moroccan dirhams, that's like 30p. You get this glass of
Goodness.
freshly squeezed orange juice. It's real good.
Cheers.
Next up, snails. Alright, so we got the snails. How much does it cost? 20? Okay.
2.
Yeah, that's more than I expected to cost. Alright, so let's give it a go. This is a snail soup, which a lot of people here seem to be chowing down on, so we're gonna give this a go right now.
I'm trying to figure out how to do this situation. So I've gone for the nice pretty shell, and I'm assuming that it's going to be like escargot.
Yeah, exactly like that. Minus, of course, the garlic butter, which we so love.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, shit. Salty. Soft. But not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad.
What else does it taste like?
Earthy. Another earthy dish.
Alright, let me give it a go. That one came out easily enough. Yeah? Not so bad? It's alright. Let me take one of these.
What your face is saying.
Peppery. Oh, it's very peppery. The soup is very peppery. Peppery broth is called babouche, and these snails are cooked long and slow over a low heat with over 15 other spices.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
When you see something, it's a bit like, oh, what the fuck? Okay.
What is it?
I really wish there was garlic butter on it.
Oh, okay. At least we can say we tried it though.
Yeah.
The soup is very peppery. It's alright, it's not too bad. I mean, I wouldn't rush to get it again. To be honest, I wouldn't rush to get it again, but
You've done it.
I'm glad we tried it. The texture's somewhat calamari-like. The soup is it's quite spicy. It's pepper. I don't know what else has gone into it, but the pepper is strong.
Interesting. Like a brownie, brothy.
Alright, so we just about ate half of this, but by no means was it a bad dish, and we still do recommend that you try it for yourself. It didn't go to waste though. We handed it to these couple of kids who asked us for some earlier. Next up was our seafood meal at stall number 14.
So we got some chips, mixed fish, and the aubergine, and a bit of bread. Alright, I'm gonna start. You want me to squeeze some lemon on the thing?
Sure.
Start with one of these.
What is it?
That's actually really good calamari. I like that. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, to be honest, because you see these stalls everywhere, and this calamari is really good. I like it. I'm gonna have another one because I enjoyed it so much.
Hey, save some for me.
Not sure what fish this is, but it's nice. But there's bones in the middle. That's good fried fish. Let me try the aubergine dip now. That's good.
Good. Can't go wrong with chips.
These are good chips as well.
Bon appetit.
What do you think, Ju? Nice bit of fish. Thank you.
I can smell the ginger. Wow.
So we got So it's a Moroccan spiced tea.
Very gingery.
So it's not the mint tea we've been drinking. He says it's ginger. Strong?
Just herbs and spices. There's jumping and dancing on my tongue. Wow. I don't know how to describe it apart from there's a lot of things going on my tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get one flavour and then 2 seconds you get another flavour and then you get another flavour.
I know what you mean. Very spicy, but I think the dominant taste is that ginger, which is very spicy and got that kick at the back of my throat. There's a sweetness to it as well, but that ginger comes out strong. These people here are having it with cake as well to go along, and that sounds a good shout because the spiciness of this ginger goes down nicely with a bit of sweet. But for now, it's got enough sugar in it for me.
Alright, We hope you've enjoyed this one, and along with our first vid in Jemaa el-Fna, giving you a good idea of what it's like. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more travel and foodie vids to come.
To have that.